test le shu yin the gear load so the gear load so the top got the na the not lost the linear equation one variable lost in you the and lost the catch pair catch with the money basic the dimple lover she's a day then the mega taruchi shu yin then the butane on the gewadi mutin tuna I guess in Shambore can go to le lives this way a tamudala pamada pu the manguchi gigi do to the angel online level I didn't call con touch die meeting a huge of situation and that the joy in bana there modern the chimbana modern the the class 10 math. I did go to what and how Godola to go to Angelo and New Town window. The number lang Jangi Ra. Any Darcy to Dave, Mother Roger, class 10 math. Darcy. 저 보고 임바나 늦음에 거 약수 늦다로 지슈에 라 늦음에 경에 말아서 늦라고 제 아니 저는 쭉쭉 다 고에 임바나 어때나 늦다로 지 남게 시기는 요 디디 클래스 9다 클래스 11 동안 디다로 지슈에 때문에 다도 나가 저기 저기와 linear equation in one variable 저는 뭐라 가지고 simple equation 에 잡아 저 럽센디 Okay, linear equations, sorry, as checking linear equations in one variable. The Tamang option to top sheet to the linear little less the Tamazore line is layer. And linear lago use it digital D class 9 jungle. The Dana de Chimera linear lasna variable gay power toshu di one in Badala linearly. Example get those 4x plus 1. Those the equal to sign with the polynomial. So this is the karna v x you put the x power 1 day, the y you put in y power 1. 1 team at the your much. It is about 1 team much. What up there the bar? I'm going to test giving about to the chest sometimes the bar, cutting to the chest the some down. So the xy. The variable 이거 마라니도 two variable the linear polynomial in two variable char variable 마라니 is a linear polynomial in two variable the then variable 1 x 찍어도 variable 6 인번에 디 나오는 power 토시 가도 될 x square power 2도 okay the power 2 is 될 linear polynomial 랭말 될 quadratic polynomial power 1 power 2 quadratic lead the not linear 다 다른 가서 가장 linear polynomial in one variable 봐 variable 이게는 이게 강하지요 변시다 7x minus 5 this linear polynomial equation 봐 equal to sign 이게더라 equation is equal to sign 이게 아니 answer가 찍버렸어. 딘선이 텐스나 answer가 3라 그랬어. or 8라 그랬어. 딜 equal to sign 이거더라 equation 일. 제가 linear equation in one variable 봐 from 딘데 이거들라고. 이게 찍왜 이게 되게 power 1인 받더라. 다 다시 해두시나 7x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 1 or the variable 1 variable do the power 1 into the variable x machine made chick machine made 1 variable check the power 1 1 is a linear equal sign the equation variable chick in back 아니 직송기 아니 제가 천용기 앙지 잡았어 다 리니어 이퀘션이 100에나 따봐 시험에서 된다 책 도도시요 디디 라 오케이 다 다른 아주 이게 들든바 랑 아주 베이직 잡스 라 다들 야 아주 그런 게어도 근데 게어라 메인 띵 아주 갈 토픽 때와 가래 크로스 멀티플리케이션 라 크로스 멀티플리케이션 말랭이라 그냥 크로스 멀티플리케이션 나오니 아주 개체들 가래 당고 브래킷 메어스다 냥 브래킷 이거 저등에 당고 얘기 브래킷 이거 중다 to solve equation 당고 verification 등 아주 제일 두기 solve 지나데 solve 지가 돌아 basic 등 아주 장고데 left hand side 당 아주 쉐게 셔카 draw right hand side left hand side plus na transpose na 아주 minus le do this left hand side minus na pa transpose na plus le do this left hand side multiplication na pa transpose na division le do this left hand side division na pa transpose na 말 독절해 right hand side 속에나 텐지는 속 dom지 속에나 텐지 거지 속에나 유지 속에나 거지도 독절 차도다 자 this column 먼저 된 뭐 장사 근데 베지땅니 먼저 이렇게 control 자 solve 제가 돌아 first step we learn how to remove the bracket 라 bracket equation 이거 벤 차신다가 두스나 당연히 bracket at one side of the equation 생긴다. 라 bracket 디 조치를 이겨. 라고 연결지 보셔야겠다. First step you have to remove the bracket. bracket 메웠습니다. bracket 메웠을 3 the bracket 디 파사이 미드 봐. 3 디 가래. bracket 나로 안기 거즈는 상호를 만들어 치스라. 라 term sum이나 term sum 만들어 치스. 근데 term 니 뭐십니다. You have to multiply both term by 3. 자 3게 x로 multiply 치네. 이게 3x. 3게 negative 4로 multiply 치네. 이게 negative 12 당에 x and the word 당에 x dash 도스톤다 x 돈요도와 미 돈요가 x 돈요 다 2기 니니가 만들라지야 2 multiply by x sin 찍고니기나 이게 positive 인티저 권을 봐싱다 이거 2x sin 로가니 multiplication 이게 product will be negative 2 times 1 2 equals to 4 okay tab 인티저 하고 생기드나 the distribution property of multiplication addition this chain root 다 닌나 한번 가도 like term c delta x 더 so add or subtract the like terms 또면은 다 네 positive sign 찍고 있나 sum the same sign 라 positive 니다 answer positive is 3 plus 2 5 든다 칼라워 3x 든다 칼라워나 든다 x는 sum 열러 이 plus x 라워 2x plus 2x 든다 칼라워나 sorry x plus x 레고 따서 아 내가 항상 짬되면 시경 가서 조대하래 내 두세요나 당 그놈 x 가도 돼 시경을 상 positive x 가도 돼 직니 좀 시가도 야 positive x는 5 두스 shortcut 가래 you add the coefficients 3 plus 2 5 거리 5래 x 더 x 마시 variable 파워 프로그램 말다 펜차시다가 펜니도 펜니가 엔장아 펜 숨도나 펜 나차스래 펜디 가래 민디 디차데 x 제대로 봐 you add the like terms x and 2x 3x and 2x we get 5x that these two are like terms negative 12 and these two are like terms integer do these two are like terms 도면나 sin 찍고 있나 common sign this and terms 12 plus 2 we get 14 is equal to 4. 다 드니 마 시니스 클래스 7 레어 돼. 당아디 카드. First 14 디 태워. 14 디 메워서였습니다. 14 파 트랜스포즈 저 돌아 텐지 도와 텐지 파기나 같이도. 동지 책 도와. So 5x is equal to 4 minus 파기나 플러스. 네게티브 포지티브 dim 버전마다 아주 사인 방법 투. 플러스 minus plus multiplication division multiplication 비슷하다. subtraction 인데 저기는 addition checkers. 아니 14. 이게 이거들 left hand side right hand side 담보 이거들 안 제시와. 안 digital part transpose 이거들 밖에. Second 5x is equal to you add we get 18. 다 x 라 5 multiply 치도 multiplication observe 가도 밖에나 division. So x is equal to 18 divided by 5. takkat tang tung min ko rang chi session dir ra whole number sema tu na de rang chi sha the example new thing dang sa nigal bracket ge chi ni pen mau tu test yard okay 2 y minus 3 minus 4 y plus 1 is equal to 3 y minus okay 2 there is 10 or bracket on both sides. That's what you get. First step you remove the bracket. Left hand side bracket remove chi, right hand side bracket remove chi. So 2 you multiply to this and multiply over here. 2 multiply by y, 2y. 2 multiply by negative 6 sin log ni do na product will be negative 6. Sin log do product will be negative 4 multiply by y, 4y. Y then she scalar. Sin log do negative 4 multiplied by 1, 4. That's what 3 multiplied by y, 3y. Sin log do so product with negative and 3 times 2 we get 6. Now you add all the like terms in the left hand side and all the like terms in the right hand side. So we have left like terms are over here. Y. Like terms and like terms on the number jang to be singular. So sin log is the number check sin t, ta log is the number check ta t ra ante. 4 shine ni ma ten we get 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and correct 2 re y 2 res. Right? Okay. Sign chi point we have the common sign add. The integer singular negative 6 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 10 which is equal to over here these two are unlike terms so we cannot add or subtract. So you write copy down. There. That then you got variable. Variable choose 샤 맞아 망치 또 라고 연결 variable 샤 share 이게 되는 거 negative 2y 근데 sign 미디 plus 속에나 minus 3y minus 10 is equal to negative 6 들어야 당한 minus 디파기인다 sign 딘치 버도 negative 5y is equal to negative 6 안자시 동보네 근데 minus 10 더 minus 파기나 plus the tensi pagena omni check do diga dimba chang side ba koni tungmenda 10 so negative 5y is equal to 4 the integer logai the sign logai na number check sign t 10 that positive 2y mas that y la 5 negative 5 multiply chi do multiplication opposite division y is equal to 4 on the division the wal ke khari multiply chi do y la negative 5 multiply chi do negative 5 to watch. The ration number now stand from negative sign wash yoma. Yamani kilosha, yamagangasha. Lela de, shake gangsha. Oh, this is the answer this. Solution set. The bracket the abu machina at Jim as cross multiplication in young bush. That then it Mazzola fraction equalizer. 이 fraction 이게 되는 게 다만 니가 좋은다. 그래서 갈래라 되시다. 봐. 이 프레셔션이 두스나. 즉 남기 베이직 드로잉. 베이직 드로스나. 오케이. 얘라 안기 x 이거 쭉 나와 샬라. So x upon 3 들어가지 샬스. 3 upon 4. 대 마이너스 파기나 플러스 셔그레스. 라. 다 너무 뒤지게. 지금 아주 아주 망고처럼 ration 넘버 강에 테스트. 걔야 말고 fraction of the jantan bako test ledu. The denominator logar do denominator chipos like fraction cinema denominator chipos la denominator LCM says. LCM 4 and 2 4. So 4 1 is 4 you multiply 1. Multiply with 2 times 2 equals 4 you multiply with 2. Hari denominator multiply chipos ya numerator multiply. 마찰라 가리 규로에네 보이절 집어 제겐 규로래서. So we get common denominator 4. So 3 plus 1 times 2 we get 2. So x upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. The x la 3 divide chuda. Division opposite kar do. Multiplication. Multiplication you always write at the numerator. Division na kadini denominator ke samda. 5 upon 4 damang shi so adi. Oh that 3 go do guzi pagena guzi de punjal ke ake. The numerator and denominator for karta na confident karta mein you multiply x is equal to 15 upon 4. The method chik there. The this is yard the denominator. Mango is the ration number 3 yakala khabana. Kemar. Step thambo the denominator mass. Integral coefficient. So x upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. This is all. Okay. So what are the denominators? Denominators are 3, 2 and 4. You find LCM of this. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 LCM say. So LCM says Shirazi derived the 3, 2, 4. Oh, 2 money. 3 and 2 mara 1 and 2. The 2, 1 and 3 sumbola number divided the 1 machine do. Made by Inga say down. You multiply 3 times 2 1 is 2, 2 3 6, 6 2 is 12. So LCM is 12. So LCM 12 give term chick term new term sumba equal to gap in the right hand side le multiply che left hand side le term term samala and LCM mondu che. Mari the 12 give you multiply to x upon 3. Right? Minus sign 12 give you multiply to 1 upon 2. 12 you multiply to 3 upon 4 multiplication. Or the method shows complex equation samang or simple equation papa bet. Dina papa bet. Ding example test break it go. Oh dina pop. Lela char. So cut. Denominator 1 4. 4 multiplied by x 4x minus 2 1 is 2 2 6 is equal to 4 1 is 4 4 3 is 12. 3 multiplied by 3 9. Ko equation lela chasa. Then she collect about the action number and solve to Kemasa. There are method denominator cotton LCM cell. The denominator LCM cell, LCM 12 or 12 gi multiply all the terms. Term cause some multiply. Then right answer term chimushindo. Term yin term nigal multiply. That animal yellow chatura 4x is equal to 9 minus pagina plus 6. So 4x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 15. X la 4 multiplication opposite division. Answer chikura asode. Today. The deconstitutions na equation kale kala and solve che lela to. The equation kale kala chimena. Right? Equation kale kala to da. Tanga this with the kids sense of thing in the single thing da. Tutorial nge pe ni do. Ra tse king. Ma zo ya sang ma. Example nge to sene. This channel. The equation complex equation do. Okay, ration number denominator ration. 3 this da khala wona x da plus 1 ni ga thaw la wata. Dela 2x da 1 ni ga thaw yes la. Di. 4. The denominator is simple swingda. Simple seola integral coefficient seola denominator means rational expression ne integral expression pop up. Papa dollar denominator ke LCM se. There are one chipu to the kujala 1 year but denominator dina angi khari chipu den ti 1 year but 1 timuri kyo yomar. Maybe you find LCM 3, 4 and 1 LCM se. So LCM of 3, 4 and Tau watching 1 theta is equal to 12. LCM of 3, 4, 1, LCM section of 12. Now you multiply all the terms by 3. So 12. 12 ki you multiply x plus 1 upon 3 minus transition 12 ki you multiply to 2x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 12 ki you multiply to 1. The denominator 1 thing is assuming that. Okay. The denominator numerator no kata 3 1s 3 3 4s 12 nga mara ang ma pa bin da ja 4x plus 1 4 1s 4 4 3s minus 3 2x plus 1 is equal to 12 1s 12 다 equation 내려 줘서 담보 장 봐서 bracket 묻지 the delete that definition is bracket 묻지다 4 you multiply to x and plus 1 you get 4x plus 4 negative 3 you multiply to 2x and plus 1 negative 6x negative 3 is equal to 12. Now over here we have 4x and negative 6x are like terms. 6 here you have common sign. It's a larger number sign t, you subtract, we get 2x. Sign lower the number chair sign t, 4 chair 3 and 1 is equal to 12. Negative 2x. Then plus 1 the pocket. Plus na pocket na minus. You right inside and shoot and then you write over here. Negative 2x is equal to, you subtract, we get 11. So x is equal to 11, multiply again, divide, we get negative 2. So x is equal to negative 11 upon 2. That's all you got a variable in. Right, in that thing. Okay, that was m x 3m plus 1 upon 2 plus okay, m minus 3 upon 5 is equal to okay, m plus 1 upon yes, it's 3 to say that. Right? Okay. Third term we get the first term second term and third term. Right side term left hand side term ni. Or term sumbagi denominator meoso samna. Term sumba denominator meoso you find LCM of denominator 2, 5 and 3. 2, 5 and 3. LCM of 2, 5 and 3 is 30. So LCM 30 in the way 30 you multiply this term, next term and third term. This one 30 3m plus 1 upon 2 plus 30 m minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 30 you multiply to m plus 1 upon 3 or term so much. Then denominators 1 15. I'll copy over here 15 3m plus 1 5 1 is 5 5 6 plus 6 m minus 3 is equal to 1 10 10 m plus 1. That's step to the bracket muchi. Bracket 45 m plus 6 m minus 18 is equal to 10 m plus 10. Okay, left hand side light terms numbers 45 plus 6 we get 51 m. San lower the number chair sign t is subtract we get 10. That light terms mean to correct show in the 10. The 16 more the 10 da. Okay, the light terms variable need the variable to get 51 m plus again minus 10 m. 10 sha then minus pagina plus 3. 51 m minus 10 m 41 m is equal to 13. So m is equal to 13 divided by 41. So the equation collect how to the denominator meoso na ko lela do the ba ngati lela cha do integral the lela rational expression le integral expression the lela. That did to the answer the class A lecture cross multiplication method later. So then guessing it 4x plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 2x plus x end of charts plus 3 upon 4. Dustena method later get cross multiplication. Okay, that step ding as a denominator bar denominator as same bar LCM of 5 and 4 say. Is equal to 12. So 20. LCM of 5 and 4, 20. Okay. That 20 into 20 multiply. 20 ki 4x plus 1 divided 5 is equal to 20 ki 3. So 2x plus 3 upon 4. that do what? 1, 4. 4x plus 1 is equal to 1, 5. 5, 2x plus 3. Then amount of substitution graph bracket 16x plus 4, 10x plus 15. They change 16x plus again minus 10x. Transpose negative 15 plus again minus 4. So we get 6x is equal to subtract with 11. X is equal to 11 upon 6. This is the that's the cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication is the not to drive thing. Doing addition 4x plus 1, 5 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 4. Those two. Let them data. LCM sort. LCM de page line bound. LCM down there. Okay. Denominator answer was less that data. Data. Dig denominator 5 to decado. 5. The dig denominator 5 the power multiplier. Okay. Therefore, multiplier the denominator 4 to 4 the they multiplier. Numerator equal 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1. The denominator 4 they multiplier. Positive 2x plus 3 the 2x plus 3 the should the 5 the power multiplier 5 the. The method the cross multiplication later. So the LCM cell step this cell more. They to do out there. So the money was cross multi the denominator power multiply cheese out. Positive denominator then multiply cheese. So she got 4 give you 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 2x plus 3. That the cross multiplication dollar left hand side term common denominator so that's the right hand side term common denominator. Term mongo is the bar as the thing near class time bar or the pitch now. Term denominator numerator common denominator in left hand side of common denominator, right hand side of common denominator. I should get cross multiply. I'll let you tell the to me that this step to go. Okay, the match go check. That was the stretch of the day cross multiplication door. The cross multiplication equation collect out this now. Oh, this now. Oh, 2 over 3 was 3 over 5 so. Yeah. Oh, that one the denominator 2m plus 5 g denominator 3m minus 1 the denominator. 2 denominator 5 is the common denominator. 제가 가서 동부 스텝들 딱 알았으면 제 깔고 있대 스텝 둘이 가래 네 denominator 3m minus 디기 파지 numerator multiplies 그 d denominator 5 디기 수직이 numerator multiplies 제 this step들 cross 안질리도 디기 cross multiplication method 한다 okay the 5기 you multiply 2m and plus 5 both you know 5에 더 붙입니다 됐네 and numerator 2 is multiplied by the denominator 3m minus 1. Now you remove the bracket. Bracket remove we get 5 times 2 equals 10m. Sin 2 positive, we get 5 times 5, 25. And then multiply both term by 2. 6m minus 2. Then the remote transpose singular is 10m plus again minus 6m. 당연히 네이티브 장제 쉬어 라고 예어치 장제 쉬어다 다들 파기에 있습니다. the positive 도 plus in the bar plus나 파기나 minus 25 you subtract we get 4m sin 찍고 있는데 you get common sign 27 so m is equal to negative 27 multiply 파기나 divide 그거 좀 되오셔도 okay example 이제 건도 1 upon 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4x minus 1. Understand? Equal method. Or did numerator la budget denominator did numerator la budget denominator. Na 1 multiplied with 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 you multiply with 3x plus 4. Or 4x minus 1 is equal to 9x plus 12. Or that variable sum of transpose 4x plus minus 9x 12 minus plus 1. So negative 9 share on negative 5x to 13. So x is equal to 13 divided by negative 5. X is equal to negative 13 upon 5. Cross multiplication less than the chance na denominator mouse than chance denominator sera term na LCM cells. Denominator something LCM cells. LCM cells LCM multiply cheese like thing there. The conclusion de maso carry shortcut kalere cross multiplication leads. Common denominator na and that comes the class 8 la cross multiplication method jawar. Okay, do it. The next number gawala tizek pen get number test double case. Right? There's some also. number de which tango chik tane go out sing mare. Tema gashi kon to and there's got to do re. Gawa de ang the go in a injimitis in the botaroch. The botane, I see needs to go so less na a lelo. That the ring you could so that double shaggy. Ra. That the ring also you get in the number gawa. Nyam to taroch. Ra. Can you get in the Yagomashina? The go to the you get in but Langala doors. You get in the Nala, you nearly to beg you get in test carton check, then the big in Alola, there's Lelo do it. And then the Gavalid, the Gawana, that was a digital A star speed. Vegetable speed your speed some amount of changi to win. Okay. And then that's shaggy. And number language of Koni Tarochi.